Good morning, afternoon, wherever you are. I have a lot of things to get done today. Well, not really a lot, but it is a lot compared to what I usually do. I was given some plants and flowers and stuff for my birthday. I need to pot them with soil and stuff, so I'm going to be doing that, which is perfect that I decided to do it today because the sun's out, so I'm not going to be absolutely freezing doing it outside. And then I have just general stuff to get done, and yeah, so I'm going to enjoy my breakfast and speak to you in a little bit. Remind me not to put raspberries in it again. Right, it's time to get things done. Start with those balloons. Those balloons need to go. They are dying and it's making me sad. How am I going to get these down? Do I pop them or... yeah, I'm going to pop them. Hello. Hello. You can't put balloons down without doing the first. You know what I mean? It's coming back now.
Next week we never go to the
It's better than you. Okay, that's enough.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh, it went all in my face. That's sad. How do you dispose of these properly? Can I put them in a recycling? I hope I can. You know what, I don't actually think it's warmer than I think it is, but I'm gonna go out like this anyway to get it. Oh, I actually need the plants, that would be useful, wouldn't it? Okay, I'm just gonna use this, a lot easier to take all my stuff down with. I'm gonna take this one too, because this one needs major resoiling, repotting. It's really bad. This tin is actually a hotel chocolate tin where it had an Easter egg in it, but it's so pretty, so I'm going to replant it in this. Right, let's go. Now the next task is actually finding the soil. Oof. See, it's windy. Oof. Oh, it's right here. Is that soil? I don't know. It's very windy, can you tell? Oh no. Right. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. Well, first of all, I need the gloves that I brought here. I didn't know I did buy these, I bought them from the inside. I hope this goes smoothly because I can't be arsed for it to not go smoothly. Do you feel me? Oh, my slipper. Boy, repotting this one because this one is already a plant, you know what I mean, but it just needs... oh, I'm not a gardener. Wow, actually I think this is okay. You know what, I'm gonna do it anyway. Making a complete mess. I'm sorry Mom, your lovely garden. There's all the roots. It's so big. Last time I repotted it, it got bigger. So so I don't know if this is a wise idea because I like the length it's at. I like the length it's at. No, I like where it's at now, but you know what, I'm just going to stand on the floor. I give up caring, to be honest. So I'm using the same soil, but like the edges came away because it was a bit dry around the edges. So I'm just like rebuilding it kind of thing. So now, that also wasn't a good idea. What am I doing? We could put that in. We want its roots. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm absolutely killing you, and I. Oh. Do you think I could make another plant with that? Probably not. Okay, it's sturdy. It's sturdy. That's a start. Okay, I'm happy with that. She looks fresh. She looks fresh. Don't ya? You look fabulous, darling. That'll do, won't it? This isn't actually a plant pot, so little life path. A real plant pot has like the holes in the bottom to drain the water out, but like if it's just a makeshift one, you put stones in the bottom so it filters it out, so it gives room for the water to not overwater your plant and drown it. Oh, she's so cute. On to the next one. It's actually nothing yet, so I hope it's got instructions because I don't know what I'm doing. So these ones don't want to make my life easy, as usual. There's always something that's that. So this one, I'm really confused about. Place the core discs into a watertight container. A watertight container, so I need to add all of these. Stack them up nicely into a watertight container. Lovely. Absorb the water, begin to swell, which it's doing now. That is so weird. I know, Bella. I know. Look at that. That is so weird. Did you see it before? I think you did. What is wrong with this? I don't know what's going on with this. It's just like the soil was like... I don't know what I'm trying to say. But in here, let me just... It's got a massive hole. Can you see my eye? Oh my god. Oh yeah. That is creepy. I don't know. Oh no. Maybe I could like do another pot. I could get a new pot from somewhere and do two. Cute. And now you're just covering that.
Fill the plant with a plastic bag and place the pot in a warm location. The plastic bag will create humidity, keeping the seeds warm and the core moist. Once the seedlings start to appear, remove the bag and place the pot in a sunny location. Yeah, it needs to get sorry.
Oh, time for us to suffocate you, mate. Sorry. I'll put you in the middle of the garden. Oh, not in the shade though. I'll put you there. So all day you'll be in the sun. Right, now this next one, I'm going to keep those safe. Hang on. There you go. See, that one's similar as well. Okay. I've damped it. Apparently, these will say I love you on the leaf. So we'll see about that. I think it's like, we have to do it for a couple of days. So you put damp cotton wool underneath and then put the beans in and then put the cotton wool on top, and then you've got to just leave it for a few days and spray it with a bit of water every day to keep the cotton wool moist. And then you've got to wait till the beans sprout, and then when the beans sprout, that's when you can use these. These are like soil again, like the last one. So that's what my plant's looking like at the moment. Bit random. Well, at least the other two are already prepared. You know what I mean? I've got them two for now. So I'm going to take them back upstairs. But first, I need to dry them. This calls for extreme measures. Oh, not that setting. It's a bit harsh, isn't it? I'll do it with a mist. Even the bloody mist is harsh, look. Okay, I think that'll do. I mean, I might as well water the other plants while I'm here. Oh my god. Oh! Oh, Bod, she doesn't even care. Oh, my plant! Right, they can chill out here for a bit so they can dry off and have some sun. I'll see you later, guys. I definitely need to get this nail varnish off now. Like, look at it. That is absolutely terrible. That feels a lot better now. That's all off my fingers. And my plants are finally done. I have a few plants in my room as well. Like, mainly like my window area. I'm just not a big fan. I need to repaint the windowsill because I painted it with the wrong paint. It needs to be like a different paint for your windowsill, I don't know. But it's gross now. So I just want to paint all around it. And I need new blinds. It's just not the one. And in my room in general, I want more plants. More plants. I don't actually have room for any, but I never put my radiator on because it's always, my room's either the coldest in the house or the warmest in the house for some reason, I don't know why. So I just keep my radiator off anyway, so I'm going to use that as a shelf. Can you see it? For all of my plants. So I'm going to buy more when I can. Yeah, what else do I don't know. I don't know. I want something fresh in my room, but I don't know what. I'm pretty bored of like up here, to be fair. Like all up there. But like, what can you do with it? Not much. Anyway, that's all I really have for you guys today. Just wanted to get things done, and putting my camera on and showing you guys and bringing you guys along with me really motivates me to get it done. So I hope I can motivate you to get things done as well. Yeah, I've got like a picnic to go to and stuff like that, so I better get going now. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to see more of me. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.